it's Riffa. I'm now at the farmers market in Los Angeles, and we're going to explore this area because this is one of the most touristic places in Los Angeles. So guys, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Sitting south of West Hollywood is one of Los Angeles' most beloved landmarks, the original Farmers Market. Founded in 1934, this cream-colored facility reels in both residents and tourists with the promise of fresh produce and the aroma of ready-to-eat snacks. An eclectic array of shops and dozens of restaurants serving cuisine from around the globe in an all-fresco setting. The market is a beloved town square for locals and one of the city's top tourist attractions. Oh, this is so good. This is so good for smoothies. The market is a beloved town square for locals and one of the city's top tourist attractions. Known for its variety of cuisine, the market offers something for every taste: American, Brazilian, Cajun, Chinese, French, Italian, Middle Eastern, and more. Many of the businesses have been family-owned and operated for generations. Recently, the market had added a variety of artisan grocery and specialty food merchants, including organic seasonal produce, gourmet pickles, single origin coffee, and more. So that's the farmers market logo or icon that is very famous. I'm gonna take pictures there. So guys, let's go further. So if you go further down there, there is the Grove. It's kind of like mall, like open mall. We just watch a movie in the cinema there.
Market and the Grove differ significantly in their history. Having opened in 2002, the Grove is much younger than the Farmers Market. The Grove is a modern mega mall, complete with many of the typical upper-end mall stores, along with boutique shops and restaurants.
So we're entering the Grove area.
Stop!
So this is a good one. We come from this direction because the sun is going there. We're not like what you call it.
Stop!
This is the focal point of the Grove. It is a landscape park area featuring a dancing fountain choreographed to the music of artists such as Frank Sinatra and Dean Martin.
waiting for the train.
Please listen carefully to the next exiting island before the departure. It is very important for your safety and our safety for you to remain seated while the trolley is running. Also, I would remind an emergency standby crew will be riding on the trolley. For those who are accompanied by small children, make sure that the child seated right next to you or on your lap, not always right next to you. Please do not attempt to change seats, that might be dangerous. Ride will take about 4 minutes and the next stop will switch. And finally, we are off. The trolley we are currently riding weighs about 65,000 pounds and it's powered by electricity. Just like a Tesla, but in a very, very small version. The trolley was built and designed by one of the Disney World Imagineers. We're now approaching to the heart of the Grove, which is a water fountain. The water fountain at the Grove was built and designed by the same architects who built the water fountain at Las Vegas. Right up in the Bellagio. And we do have the safety cars. We do have a walk right at 7 p.m. tonight. The opposite of the Grove has grown now, bigger, better, and greener than ever. With some real living trees inside the Apple store. The Grove has good choices for you for snacking between Groundworks Cafe, Betty Pretzels, Press Juicery, Haagen-Dazs, and much, much more. And right on this side of the property, you will find good places for shopping between Gap, Nordstrom, Nike. Destination, please remain seated while the trolley is still Marshall. Please remain seated.
Oh. Oh, there. Okay, guys, so that was our trip today to the farmers market in Los Angeles. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.